Hello big adventurers, welcome to the exciting video from Gran Canaria, and today we're gonna be exploring nature reserves around the town of Terror. Let's get into the vlog! Pico de Osorio. The Osorio Peak, with its 968 meters of altitude, forms the border of three municipalities, Valle Seco, Terror and Firgas. It is also a natural lookout point from where all the northern part of Gran Canaria can be seen. To the right, on the flank of the mountain, you can see the La Finca de Osorio, and below Terror and in the background, the capital of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. To the left, we see villages of Moya and Firgas, and nearby Valle Seco, and below the neighborhood of Zumacal. In this area, an intense reforestation can be observed. It was carried out thanks to the Laurisilva 21 project, whose intention was to recover part of this old Laurisilva mess and to create at the same time more rows of trees among the different reforested spots in order to allow the biogenetic interchange and survival of this plant life. The principal trees growing on this mountain are Faya and Brezo trees. And here we're exploring another nature reserve near El Risco, which is this awesome canyon with lots of vegetation and trees. Even specific flowers can be observed here. However, at the beginning of the path there is a sign which says it's prohibited to enter here because of no reason, but this is Spain, so only true adventurers can enter. The next nature reserve which we visited is called the Azuaje Ravine, which is located in the north part of Gran Canaria, in the middle of area of Hydrographic Basin. We already experienced a similar nature reserve at the beginning of our trip in Gran Canaria, but that one had more extreme waterfalls, but there should be some waterfalls on this path as well. Right, in about 10-15 minutes of walking, we got to this first waterfall. As I said, it's not as big as in our first adventure in Gran Canaria, but it was still impressive to find it here. And if you want to experience full waterfalls, you have to come here in the winter or springtime, because if you come here during the peak summer, these waterfalls and water might not be here anymore. Alright, and in about another 10 minutes we got to the second waterfall, which was even bigger than the first one. There was also a nice ravine here, and the water looked really inviting, but at the same time it was cold. But I thought I'm gonna go for it, so I went for it and I swam here. something more interesting to explore, so we decided to go back, and on the way back we stopped at this pool where I decided to jump in again. This time also my vegan friend Patrick went in and jumped in as well. Right, and in about 10 minutes of driving from the Azuajera ravine, we got to another nature reserve which is called Tilos del Moya, which is also a canyon, but this time we're hiking on the side of the hill with these amazing views. You can see from the drone footage that there are some trees growing down here, but it's still insane deforestation. As I said, it's one of the most deforested islands from the Canary Islands. I think the reforestation projects are not enough, it's only a small part. And they are not planting the native species, they only planted pine trees in the highlands of Gran Canaria. Adventures, that's it for another amazing adventure from Gran Canaria Island. We have only one more vlog coming up from here. Then we're gonna move back to Serbia for more amazing adventures. So stay tuned for those videos. And as always, stay healthy
and stay adventurous.